Taylor Frankie Paul's ex-husband, Tate Paul, has filed a restraining order against the secret lives of Mormon wives star. According to documents viewed by Us Weekly, Tate, 32, filed a motion for a temporary restraining order in a Utah court on Tuesday, June 30th. A hearing has been requested. The exes, who were married from 2016 to 2022, share 2 kids together, daughter Indy 8 and son Ocean 6. Per People, the order was filed against Taylor, 32. Tate also filed a petition to modify the terms of their divorce and custody agreement. Additionally, TMZ reported that Tate is requesting sole custody of both children. Us has reached out to Tate and Taylor's reps for comment. Years before The Secret Lives of Mormon Wives premiered on Hulu, Mom Talk became a TikTok craze in 2020. The interest intensified when Taylor, 31, revealed in 2022 that she indulged in soft swinging with other people's partners, and she was subsequently going through a divorce from Tate. At the time, Taylor, who shares 2 kids with Tate, reflected on addressing her past marriage on screen, exclusively telling us, "I don't know how Tate feels. It was a lot less bad than he thought. He saw the trailer, and he and his fiancée were worried. Obviously, that's really triggering to hear that, especially for her." She continued, "I can't imagine wanting to hear that with someone else, so I think they struggled, but when they watched it, I guess it wasn't as bad as they thought." Most of Taylor's arc on the show, however, has centered around her romance with ex-Dakota Mortensen. The pair have been involved in an ongoing custody battle over their 2-year-old son, Ever, following multiple domestic violence incidents and allegations. Earlier this year, Mortensen alleged Paul had been physically violent with him during a February incident, in which Mortensen claimed that Paul had allegedly choked him and shoved him into a window, per documents obtained by TMZ at the time. Paul denied the allegations of child abuse. Mortensen was later granted temporary custody of Ever, while Paul filed for a protective order against Mortensen and claimed that he assaulted her in his truck. The order was granted, and a judge ruled that the exes have to stay at least 100 feet away from each other. Earlier this month, a judge ruled that Taylor no longer needed supervised visitation of Ever, and that she can have her son on alternative weekends and one midweek day. Earlier this week, the Bluffdale Police Department confirmed to us that Mortensen called the cops with questions about the ex's protective order amid their ongoing custody battle. The case was ultimately sent to the district attorney's office, who will decide if a violation occurred. The ex's next hearing is scheduled for July 8th. In March, TMZ released unseen footage from Taylor and Dakota's 2023 domestic dispute, where Taylor was seen throwing chairs before one hit her and Tate's daughter. Tate, for his part, has not publicly spoken out in the years since his ex-wife became a public figure. "I just respect his privacy a lot, and I know that's what he likes," Taylor exclusively told us for her March cover story. "But he and I have always been really good friends and have a very healthy co-parenting relationship."